Ladies and gentlemen, this video is scheduled for one fall. Approaching the table first, weighing 2.1 pounds out of Kennesaw, Georgia, we have the Boxycharm Premium. And their opponent, weighing 0.9 pounds out of St. Louis, Missouri, we have the Ipsy Plus. My name is Kristen. Welcome to the second ever Beauty Beatdown video. This is going to be which one is better, Boxycharm Premium versus my Ipsy Plus. Now these are a little bit different subscriptions. The Ipsy Plus, you get 5 products, $25. The Ipsy Premium, you get 6 products for $35. So we're going to see which one's better. And I think I'm just going to open the Ipsy Plus and show you what's inside. I did already open it. I don't remember off the top of my head what's in it. Same thing with the Boxycharm Premium. So, we got the cute little bag. It is a cute little bag. You get a bag with all Ipsy subscriptions, which honestly they could get rid of. Don't really care about the bags. But, okay, first thing I am grabbing out. Do I have a card? Actually, yeah, let's look at the card first. So, April 2021, Force of Nature. And nope, we don't have anything in here, but let's read the top of the card at least. It says, whether you love your naked face, hashtag skincare is the new foundation, or feel naked without your red lipstick, do what feels natural to you. When confidence is the first step in your routine, you can't be stopped. So this says, try these 5 skin-friendly superfoods. So we got just a little information in here. I don't like that they don't put the information in the Ipsy Plus. They put it on the cards in the regular Ipsy Glam bags, so why do you even bother? So, this is the first thing I grabbed out of here. So this is the Cocoa Kind Oil to Milk Cleanser. Prebiotic cleanser for soft and replenished skin. It does say for all skin types. So there's the box. Now, I have gotten some cleansers recently, so I'm unsure if I'm going to keep this, but it does say for all skin types, so that's really good because I do have combination skin. So I'm going to see if it's open. Let me see if it's open, that way I can smell it. Nope, it's foil enclosed, so I'm not even going to open it. Set that aside for now. Okay, next thing I'm grabbing. Ooh, this is heavy. What is this? Bell and Argent Nude Intuitive Vision. I'm not sure. I think this might have been something I chose. Probably an eyeshadow palette, I imagine. Oh yeah. Oh, okay, it is. I remember this one. Oh, it's hard to open. There we go. So we do have a little insert there. And I'm going to show you the inside of the palette. I'm trying to blind you with the mirror. So, just neutral. The top is matte. And oh no. No, excuse me. Top is mostly mattes and a shimmer, and looks like we got 3 shimmers and a matte down there. I'm just going to put that back in there, put it back in the box. I'm not keeping this. I don't want this. If you like neutrals, say so down below. Let me know if you like neutrals, because I just want to see how many people actually like neutrals. I'm just not a fan. I mean, plus I can get neutrals in a lot of the colorful palettes I already have anyways. So the next thing I'm grabbing out of here, this is Item Lip Quip Heart Poppin' Moisturizing Lip Oil. Okay. Again, lip product that I don't really need. Not right now at least. Okay. Next thing here, this is Lauren Conrad, the lipstick, in the shade Shell, and I think this is a pick of mine. Yes, I believe that was something I picked. Nude lipstick. Yeah, it's a nice color. Hopefully I'll be able to wear it soon. Okay, and the last thing in the bag, this is a Kavos. Hey, lighter. Okay. Let's open her up. This is what the packaging looks like. This is the highlighter on the inside. Definitely not. I'm not going to keep that either. Nope. Do not want. Alright, just because I already have tons of them like that. Okay. So that was everything in that bag. So I'm going to say it's not a total loss. The Bell and Argent and the Hey lighter are going to go in my next giveaway, whenever that is. I got the cleanser, I got the lip oil, and a lipstick, so that's cool, but you know, these I can't really wear except around the house. At least I got this cleanser, that'll be nice to try out. Like I said, it does say for all skin types. So, that is cool. Not bad, not bad. Okay, in the bag. Now we're going to go into the Boxycharm Premium. Again, I already looked in this and I got this just yesterday or the day before. But you know it's premium because it's blue on the middle, in the middle, on the inside. Okay, so now before I even go into this, they did email me, Boxycharm emailed me without prompting to say I didn't get not one but two things in this box that I've gotten before. And so they gave me a $25 credit for the add-ons sale, which is like, I actually just made a purchase with the add-ons, so I got a few more things and I only had to pay $6, so I guess that's cool. Anyways, so I will show you the first thing. This is the biggest thing, and yeah, I sure did get this before. This is the 11T1. What's wrong with me? 11T1 Skin. Hurley, St. London. This is the Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask Set. How many do you get? I don't remember. I think there might be like 3 to 5 in here. It's probably worth a ridiculous amount of money. Well, let's see what that one says. Because I actually have information here. This is Boxycharm, Sweet Treats, by the way. You probably saw it in my previous video. That says 11D1 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask 5-pack. Okay, so it's 5-pack. MSRP $135. Wow. The ultimate pre-event mask. This hydrogel formula infuses the skin with radiance-boosting ingredients for a glowing complexion. Originally created as a limited edition item, this mask has grown into a global cult product and a staple in the 11T1 Skin collection. Okay, next thing I'm pulling out. This is Marc Jacobs Undercover Blurring Coconut Face Primer. But let's see what that says here. This says Marc Jacobs Beauty Undercover Blurring Coconut Face Primer. This lightweight blurring primer extends makeup wear and features 5 forms of coconut to help nourish and smooth the complexion in a universal shade. It controls shine without making skin feel dry or overly matte, and creates a perfectly prepped canvas for foundation. This retails for $39. Okay, and the next thing we're grabbing, this is the Wander Beauty Do Not Disturb Overnight Repair Concentrate. This was my choice item. I don't remember if you could choose two, but this was definitely one of them, and sucks that I tried it. I did try it out. Let me know in the comments down below if you would be grossed out to get this like in a giveaway or something, because I did try it. Now, hopefully this box doesn't fall. It's not a dropper or anything. This is what the packaging looks like. You can see this is where the product comes out right here, and it has a button here to dispense the product. Again, I did try this out. This has dragon's blood in it. I don't like dragon's blood, and it's not a lot. Again, it's like, I think it's more towards the bottom of the list, but I can smell it. You can smell it. You can smell that it's dragon's blood. So let me know in the comments down below if you would be grossed out to get this. A used product if you knew it was used. I would never like give a product out that's used but not disclose it. But yeah, let me know. Let me know. Because if people would be grossed out, even if I told you it was used in that way, I only used it once, I would not do that ever again. But and I might see if my sister wants it. But let me know. Anyway, so set that down. And let's read about this. So this says, Wander Beauty Do Not Disturb Overnight Repair Concentrate, formulated with 1% retinoid to amp up skin's natural renewal cycle and help diminish the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, uneven skin tone, and texture. Squalane and peptides hydrate skin and improve elasticity, while Dragon's Blood helps soothe the skin from environmental stressors faced during the day. And that retails for $68. Yep. Okay, the next thing we have, this is Kiss My Roan? I don't know, Liquid Lip Balm. Roan Beauty. Kiss My Liquid Lip Balm. This is the color. Just like a neutral nude brown type shade. And this is a non-sticky alternative to classic lip gloss. This lip balm soothes the lips as it nourishes, regenerates, and repairs. Formulated with the mango and grapeseed oils to hydrate and protect, it provides the high shine of a gloss with the nourishment of a balm. This retails for $26. Trying to keep everything together. Okay, second to last thing. This is Dose Colors. This is a lip liner. And you can see the color at the top there. I'm not even going to open this because I don't want it. So that's going to go into a giveaway. But this says, this creamy long-wearing lip liner delivers transfer-resistant, high-coverage color with a matte finish, built-in sharpener included. $14 is the retail price of that. Okie dokie. Alright, and the last thing is a Natasha Denona palette. This, though, was also one of the things you could choose to get in your box. And this is the Coral palette. It actually comes in a packaging box here, with the ones from the base boxes. They were in the cardboard, but they were not in a box like this. But this is super pretty. I kind of dug my fingers into some of the shades, so I've already touched it. Oh, they're so pretty. Like that middle purple one is just beautiful, so I can't wait to try that out. So I think this will be like my fourth 5-pan Natasha Denona palette from Boxy. Okie dokie. Alrighty, so that was the last thing. Let's read this here. Natasha Denona Coral Eyeshadow Palette. A 5-pan eyeshadow palette that features 5 buttery soft shades that blend seamlessly in order to create vibrant, ultra-pigmented, long-lasting looks. And that retails for $48. So that right there is worth the box. What would I use out of here? Let us see. So this is a 3 and 3. I would use the masks, even though I have tons of masks. I will use those. I have used them before, of course. I will use the Natasha Denona and the lip gloss, the lip balm, whatever you call that. I would use that. So the 3 that I definitely wouldn't use, well, definitely the Marc Jacobs, because again, no coconut. Lip liner, I don't really use lip liners, and the Wander Beauty. So which one is the winner? I'm going to say the Boxycharm Premium is the winner. So yay, you won the match. Because there are 3 products I could use, and I definitely like that eyeshadow palette way more than the one from the Ipsy Plus. So yes, Boxycharm is the winner this day. So that makes them, well, they're 1 and 0. Okay, yeah, they're 1 and 0 because they won, and this is their first match. So thank you so much for watching. I will use this palette tomorrow. So the day after you see this video is when I will use this. Thank you so much for watching. I would appreciate if you liked this video, and I would love to have you as a subscriber, so leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching. I do upload every single day, so I will see you tomorrow at 10 a.m.